The bird is wrong.
Can. He takes better down right there.
What'd you say, Kenny?
He can turn it a while.
Get the sound of the ice cream. The sound of the ice.
Yeah.
Can you sing happy birthday?
No, I don't want to.
Oh, please. Sing happy birthday for Dad. Look up here.
Sing it with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Bradley, look up here, Bradley.
To you. Birthday, dear Bradley. Happy birthday to you.
Susie. Susie, will you turn around?
Honey, can you blow those out? Let's see if you can blow those out.
Blow them out, Bradley.
There, he did it for you. Okay.
Cut the cake.
You can't let her shake.
I think you know.
Yeah. Peanut butter's not
We're having a cake.
No.
For supper. Our place on Saturday and stay overnight. Then Sunday. Yeah. Very good. And then
Did it go Bobby? Open it up. What else is in there, Bradley? A whole bunch of. Yeah. Let me open this. Oh, this is neat. Oh, let's see what's in here. Nothing's in here. I know, Bradley.
Matthew and Karen.
This is called a yacht.
Matthew.
Yacht. Look at that, Matthew. There's a monkey
You're getting
in
too close.
there. Yacht.
Sorry. He's also getting you.
Ready for another present underneath there. Why don't you open the next one?
Bradley,
That's my card.
you like your presents? Bradley?
Yeah. Is it?
Kenny really spending his...
More Legos. Oh, boy.
What do you have in there, Bradley?
Legos.
Legos?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Let me see your face. Oh boy. You like your birthday? You like birthday party? Thank you. Matthew.
You gonna say something, Matthew?
Matthew doesn't like to talk, does he?
What?
I
Do?